Hello my lovely lock minions, and those of you that are new to my channel, my name is Mfan. I'm a teacher, dancer, and hair guru for locks. And on this video, we're going to talk about how to retain length and keep moisture in your locks. These are two things that I struggled with as a loose natural. Not to say that I didn't do or have a routine to continue those things to implement, but for me, locks have been a path to retain length. So if you're interested, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and don't forget to come back to my channel, Locks for You to Love. Okay, so let's get right into protecting your hair. So when I was a loose natural, the go-to hairstyles were mini braids, twists, mini twists, hair in a ponytail. I would wear scarves. I would try to do styles that would have me not put my hands in my hair. And those helped. Now, translating that to locks, locks are like braids to me. And so my hair is constantly in that state, and my hair thrives well in that because I leave my hair alone and it can retain moisture for a longer period of time opposed to if my hair was out. And yeah, those are my go-to styles. And I feel like as a loose natural, that was my go-to style. And someone who has locks now, that's still my go-to style. So these locks are like mini braids, mini twists, and I just keep them moist, and then I wear my hair up a lot. Either up in a bun, up in a ponytail, or if I'm at home and I'll wear my satin scarf on my head. Or I like to wear hats now. Hats are like my thing. So these are one of many ways that I use protective styles, not only to protect my hair, but also to retain length and to maintain the moisture in my hair. So if you have any other tips or things that you use to help with retaining moisture, protecting your hair, and retaining the length in your hair, comment below and let me know. So let's get into the products that I use to moisturize my hair and to keep my hair sealed with moisture, because my hair has a hard time keeping the moisture. Again, there's also a thing called porosity, and I have some videos that talks about the different types of porosity. And for me, my porosity is high, which means when I get moisture in my hair loves it, but as quickly as it gives it, it's gone. And so I have to put moisture in my hair, seal it, and make sure it doesn't go nowhere. So these are the products that I use for my hair. First of all, before I even talk about products, I love this bottle. This mist bottle just keeps on going after I just spray, and I love this thing. I just started using this not too long ago because my sister introduced me to it. But yes, so in this bottle, we have a concoction of things that help me with my hair. The liquid in that bottle, I use aloe vera juice. This is a product I use. Again, my hair, my scalp doesn't like a lot of products with a lot of chemicals, so I had to do a lot of trial and error and figure out what works for my hair and what works for my scalp. Even though I like all these products that are offered at the store, I have to be very simple and basic, and that is fine. So aloe vera juice is in that bottle, along with rose water. I put rose water in that bottle as well, just a couple of drops. And it does my hair good and it doesn't irritate my scalp. I also add this conditioner. Now, a lot of people are opposed to using conditioner, especially if you have locks. So what I do is I squirt like 2 pumps in this bottle, and then after it's mixed, I just shake it together so it can be somewhat of a liquid base that's going on my hair and not so much as a cream. The other thing that I add in there, if I want to, sometimes I put this Hydrate Honey, or I won't put it in there, and after I moisturize my hair with the aloe vera juice, the rose water, and the leave-in conditioner, I seal it with this Camille Rose Honey Hydrate, and it leaves my hair so moist. Like, I love it. Now, depending on the weather, during the summer, I don't really put oil in my hair like that. I stick with this Hydrate Honey bottle. During the winter, I use black castor oil to seal the moisture in after I put all those products in my hair, and that does my hair real well. So those are the products that I use. I do this almost daily. So whenever I feel my hair just needs some water, I love this thing. Ooh, it just keeps spraying. But I just mist my hair with it. In the morning, before I start my day, I make sure I get it saturated. Not soaked, but I want to make sure my hair is moisturized, and it does pretty well. And then I put it in the protective styles that I talked about, up in a bun. I wear a hat or a scarf. I leave my hair alone if I'm not going anywhere. Or I wear my silk bonnet. But yeah, so these are the things that I use to keep my hair moisturized. So along with protecting my hair and wearing it in a protective style, I also want to moisturize my hair with products that work best for my hair. So if you have any other type of products that you use that you want to suggest, or maybe I can look into, comment below and let me know. So before we close out this video, I'm going to show pictures of my hair at my 3-year lock mark from present day, which is July 2024. And I want to show you how much my hair has grown since I started implementing these routines into my daily habits. So again, let me recap what I do. I moisturize my hair. I use my concoction, which is aloe vera juice, rose water, leave-in conditioner. Thank God it's natural. And then I shake that booty. Then I spray this on my hair. After I get it to how I like, which I like it saturated, I seal it in with my Hydrate Honey, Camille Rose, and then I put my hair up however I want, and I just leave my hair alone. I try not to touch it throughout the day. After it's done in the morning, I'm done touching my hair. And from that, my hair has grown so much. If you have any tips, advice, or you want to share how you retain moisture and how you retain length, comment below and show me. Duh. And thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Come back to my channel. Locks for you to love.